Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the TCL FLIP 4 5G, a modern twist on the classic flip phone. If you're looking to simplify your digital life without losing essential features, this might be the perfect device for you. And here's something cool. The TCL FLIP 4 5G is TCL's first flip phone with 5G. So if you've been waiting for a flip phone that keeps up with modern speeds, this is it. The TCL FLIP 4 5G sports a sleek clamshell design in stone gray. External display, 1.77-inch screen for quick notifications and caller ID. Internal display, 3.2-inch LCD with customizable text size, brightness, and color inversion for better readability. The large tactile keypad ensures easy navigation, making it user-friendly for all ages. Under the hood, the FLIP 4 5G is powered by a Snapdragon 4S Gen 2 octa-core processor, coupled with 2 GB RAM and 32 GB of storage, expandable via micro SD. The 3000 mAh battery offers up to 40 hours of talk time and charges fully in under 2 hours with USB-C. Running on KaiOS 4.0, the phone provides access to essential apps like Google Maps, YouTube, email, FM, radio, web browser. It also includes tools like a calendar, calculator, and notes app. The 5-megapixel rear camera with LED flash captures decent photos and 720p HD videos. Stay connected with 5G and 4G. LTE support HD voice for crystal clear calls. Dual microphones with noise cancellation. 3.5mm headphone jack and Bluetooth support for audio flexibility. Now, the best part, pricing. The TCL FLIP 4 5G is available through Metro by T-Mobile. Price, $79.99. Promotions. Eligible customers can get it for $0 with select plans. Check out the official Metro by T-Mobile page for more details. Thanks for watching. If you're considering a flip phone that balances simplicity with essential smart features, the TCL FLIP 4 5G is worth a look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.